I'm here at the JVC stand here at IBC 2014, and it wouldn't be right to be at the JVC stand without having Gustav with us. Hi Gustav, good to see you.
Again.
Hi. Very good. Now we spoke obviously at NAB and you showed us some amazing design concepts. We went through a whole range of them.
Yes.
Now this looks more than a concept to me.
Right,
what do we have here?
That's the prototype of, and now the final product name is done, is LS300. And as you show, we have a pre-used version on NAB, which is concept. So we get the customer feedback, we get some wishes in, and then now we come in the next step. It's the prototype, so very close for release to the market.
Well, give us a run through of this beauty.
Well, it uses our super certified own development sensor. And there is something unique on this sensor because the standard resolution is increased by 136%. So 36% more than the regular Super 35. So the customer have some benefits in case of field of view, of course. That's the first camcorder. Well, you say which application use? Of course, it's 4K capability, but it's also HD capability for sure. But we made a camcorder here which band with a big of use, not only just for production, for industry film, etc. There's a lot of issues. So what we see here is something unique. We use in MFT mounts. And that's very important to mention because MFT, some people already thinking about the sensor. This is just the mount and behind is a super 35mm sensor. That allows us for some electronic communication for that kind of lenses, but with an adapter like here, we can go to EF mount, we can go to PL mounts. There's a bunch of range of optics you can use. And as the feedback from the customer, they want to have a nice small design because they're running in the field of two in the box. And so I think we matched that very well. And it's very unique here is that we have a built-in ND filter. So depending, sometimes you pick up a lens, like your photo lens, and then wow, I need an ND filter here. So we have already here, just by the turn, we have a built-in ND filter. Furthermore, the design is very done by our family, so we want to keep the family construction. So we built in, when we open this one here, we built in a dual SD card slot, so we're still using the SDXC or SDXC cards. What is unique on the 4K recording, we already have a 4K camera in the past. As you know, it needs 4 channels, but this one baby will record on one file. So the total bit rate is about 150 megabit per second, so one file recording. For the capability of recording, is not only the recording is unique, we have also our family built in like live streaming, like FTP, like the remote control. So, and maybe some people are asking why you want to use it. So, you can use that as a 4K camera, but you can use that also as an excellent HD camera and using the capability of the lens for the film artist effect, what you want to do here.
Output-wise, so we can record 4K internally on this, which is important to mention, but you have some output options as well on the side?
Of course. We not want to make just a camcorder, we're just doing recording, so it should be also playback. Of course, to playback, we use this HDMI 2.0 output for the 4K playbacks, but we're still keeping an SDI output. This is not for the 4K, of course, this is for the HD 1080p recording. It's also, of course, 1080p recording is possible, and we have the output for the standard monitoring.
So you could record a 4K internal and an HD external if you wanted to, or just go into an HD monitor.
No, HD, you must select the camera you record in 4K, you switch the camera to a different mode in HD, but then you have the same as on a 650, you can do dual recording, different formats, SD, HD at the same time, so, and of course live streaming.
Now I know this has been very popular here at IBC, and we will certainly get asked the question of when can we expect to see this in the shops.
We do that, one little unique thing. Of course we have here the connection, the handle with the microphones. So simply you can remove that, make the camera even more compact, and there's a built-in microphones in addition to that when we use that. So when it comes, it's prototype, so we are not really final with all the details, but I think when everything goes good, latest NAB, but we're expecting a little bit earlier, frankly speaking.
Brilliant. And you know what the next question I'm going to ask you is?
It's a price.
Is the price,
well, in the case it's not really finished. So let's say it's under 5,000 euro. Yeah, whatever it means, it could be dramatically under 5,000 euro. Yeah. But again, it's prototype. We have to do some work and some additional work, maybe some additional feature. Yeah. Give you a little idea. For example, maybe EG recording with 120p, for example, could be a challenge, but it's not sure right now if we can implement it. So Brilliant. It will be very interesting, very shortly. Yeah.
And the good thing is always about JVC cameras, you buy a camera, it's getting upgraded all the time. There's new features and it's going to be the same with this.
That's our general philosophy when we build these babies and we get market feedbacks and we can do improvement or edit on features as usual.
Gustav, thank you very much. It is an amazing camera. It's been so popular here, and the image quality that we're seeing on the screen is great, and I can't wait for you guys to be able to see it. But you want to find out more information about the JVC range of cameras, of course, go and have a look at their website. Gustav is now going to tell us what it is.
Yeah, it's the www.gbcpro.eu. Sorry.
That's why I put you in.
Yeah, you bring me.
Either way, the link is just there on screen. Go and have a look. You'll find out everything you need to know about the JVC range of cameras. Of course, everything we're doing here is at our website and YouTube channel.
See you next time.
See you next time.